one day, we were working Dracula, Donnie and I, and, you know, the crazy guy running it, what was his name? He would go around, and the actress name was George, and him and his wife Marnie were so good at the Andrew Playhouse. So Donnie and I would lay around a raisin, and George hated raisins. And one day Donnie got a bug up his butt, and he took a whole bunch of raisins and squished them together on the back of the couch, because George is running the crazy guy. Had to go around, and he swallowed them raisins whole. Me and Donnie knew it. We were doing the special effects for Dracula. And then George come up, and he was like, ugh. And Donnie and I were watching, and George stopped, and he held the beat for 1 second, and then he took that clump of raisins, he swallowed it whole, and he said, spider, and then he came backstage, he said, if you motherfuckers ever do that again to me, I will kill you, you blah, 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 blah. I'm sorry. We're very bad people. I won't ever do that again, but it was kind of funny at the time.